Hello friends, starting with the name of Allah who is the most merciful and gracious. My name is Sayyid Ziaullah and you are watching now YouTube channel and Facebook page on the name of Zia Institute of Physics. Today I am going to explain a very easy question sometime being asked by our student, and the question is why our body get lazy to seek the sun for a longer time. So this question is clearly related to the biological sciences or biology, but we can answer this through physics also. So I will present some of my little thoughts according to my little knowledge with you people. So have you heard the name of heat engine? So if you have not heard, so I am going to explain heat engine. So what is heat engine? Heat engine is a device or a substance which work on the principle of heat. Heat engine is oftenly found in motorcycles, vehicles, car, etc., which convert the heat energy into a mechanical work. So in heat engine, a petrol, diesel or CNG or combusted and that energy is converted into mechanical energy. So in heat engine there are two major components which are as one is high temperature reservoir HTR. HTR means a place where high temperature is created, high temperature reservoir, and one part of heat engine is LTR. LTR means low temperature reservoir. And as you people know, the formula or the rules of heat is that heat flow from hot body to cold body. The heat always flow from hot body to cold body. If the temperature of the cold body is very low, the heat will flow easily and the work done will be greater. If the temperature of LTR is high, so the heat will not flow as much as that of the low temperature. So it means the heat flow from a hotter body to the colder body. If the temperature of the cold body is small, the heat will flow easily and the body will work efficiently. Similarly, if the temperature of LTR rises, the heat will not flow as much. The HTR is a place where heat is generated due to combustion of petrol or diesel. And what is LTR? Low temperature reservoir. It is the part of the car which is known as radiator. And whenever the temperature of radiator goes on increasing, there is a fan which reduces the temperature of LTR. A good heat engine is that in which the high temperature reservoir is at highest temperature and the cool temperature reservoir or low temperature reservoir is at the smallest temperature. Similarly, the human body is a complex heat engine. Remember this statement, human body is also a form of complex heat engine where the inner parts create heat. Inner parts of the body creates heat energy. So the inner parts of the body create heat or heat is produced inside the cells. So that become HTR. While the outer body or the skin act as LTR. We can radiate the heat of the body through our skin. So the skin is here, the skin is LTR, low temperature reservoir. So a body will be working perfectly if the temperature of internal organ is constant at 37 degrees C, while the temperature of the surface of the skin is at low temperature or the skin is radiating the heat. Whenever the temperature of the skin or the environment increases, the temperature of LTR increases and the body or the perfect heat engine denies to work properly. So that is the reason, according to my knowledge, that the human body is a complex heat engine where the internal parts of the body are acting as a HTR which are creating heat, and the skin or external body act as LTR or low temperature reservoir. A good heat engine will be that whose LTR is at low temperature. But whenever you are in a summer weather or you seek the sun for larger duration, so your skin get hotter and as a result the body feel lazy.